What happens when the son of a prominent political figure gets arrested in Zimbabwe? The answer might unravel a web of corruption that reaches the highest echelons of power. In the heart of southern Africa, Zimbabwe, a nation rich in history and resources, often finds itself grappling with the shadows of political corruption. Recently, the spotlight turned to Neville Mutsvangwa, son of Chris Mutsvangwa, a significant figure and former cabinet minister. His arrest in last week sent shockwaves through the political landscape. The arrest occurred shortly after he is suspected to be illegally tempering around the new currency, doing illegal money changing. Amidst this turbulent atmosphere, Neville's arrest was initially viewed as a straightforward legal issue. However, the layers began to peel away, revealing a more complex narrative. Chris Mutsvangwa, a man not known for holding his tongue, took a bold step following his son's detention. He publicly accused President Emmerson Mnangagwa of orchestrating the arrest as a means to silence him. Chris alleged that this was due to his outspoken criticism of the president's handling of the economy and, more explosively, his involvement in corrupt practices. This accusation against President Mnangagwa wasn't in isolation. It echoed long-standing concerns about corruption within the ruling ZANU-PF party. Over the years, Zimbabwe has seen numerous allegations of misappropriation of funds, election rigging, and the suppression of dissent. Chris Mutsvangwa's bold declarations brought these issues into the limelight once again, suggesting that the roots of corruption might be deeper and more entangled in the highest offices of the land than many had feared. The arrest of Neville Mutsvangwa and the subsequent allegations by his father, Chris, against President Mnangagwa highlight a critical juncture in Zimbabwe's political narrative. These events underscore the ongoing challenges of corruption that not only jeopardize political integrity, but also the future stability and prosperity of the nation. As Zimbabwe continues to navigate these turbulent waters, the world watches closely, understanding that the resolution of these issues is crucial for the restoration of faith in its political systems and economic revival.